Hello, welcome to the SpoonForkHeart kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today's recipe requested by Kayo Lasso. We're going to make the green curry or แกงเขียวหวาน Thank you, Kayo, for requesting the Thai green curry because the Thai green curry very famous and also be a lot of people favorite. So today I'm going to use beef for be our protein today, but the green curry you can use chicken or you can use pork or your favorite protein meat. Okay, so we're going to start with our vegetable and herb. For vegetable, I use the eggplant, the Thai eggplant for our green curry today. But if you cannot find the Thai eggplant, you can use the zucchini instead if you like zucchini. Okay, anyway, for the Thai eggplant, this is not very big, it's just a normal size, so I will cut them to the 4 pieces. And also I have the trick for the Thai eggplant. After you cut them, you have the cold water here, and you're going to add a teaspoon of the salt, just the salt. Okay, we make a little mix, and you're gonna soak the Thai eggplant after you cut them. Otherwise, if you not soak them in the cold water with the salt, it's gonna turn brown. Okay, now it release the sap and then keep them white. Okay, and I'm going to finish cut them. For the Thai eggplant, I use 10 ounce, and I'm going to cut them for the 4 pieces. So like this. Okay, and this is the last piece is the Thai eggplant. And also when you buy the Thai eggplant, you're using the young one, so make sure that you pick the one the stem over here is still long and fresh. But sometimes I cannot have a lot of choice because they come in the packet. So when you remove the stem and then just cut like so, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful one. Alright, so now all the Thai eggplant is done cutting. Next, I have the red bell pepper. It's gonna give me the nice colors and the beautiful color. I'm gonna use just a half bell pepper. I'm gonna remove the seed. Okay, for the bell pepper in Thailand we use the พริกชี้ฟ้าแดง พริกชี้ฟ้า the spare chili, the red color, long red color, not spicy but sweet and giving nice flavor, but I can't find over here, so I substitute to the bell pepper. Or you can use the sweet pepper also if you like sweet pepper. Okay, and for the bell pepper, I'm gonna cut them to be a strip, just about this big. Okay, for the sometimes of course for the recipe and for the Thai food, sometimes it's a substitute too. Sometimes I cannot find the ingredient that I usually have in Thailand, but I really want to eat, so have to find something very similar and go good together. So okay, so now my bell pepper done. I'm gonna set it on the side. Okay, and for me I like spicy, so I'm gonna use the 2 Serrano pepper too. Okay, now I have the Serrano pepper. I'm just gonna cut them to the strip. Also, this is how I cut. I can smell already the spicy. Okay. For the Serrano pepper, a little bit of seed is okay, but I'm going to throw away the middle part, the seed over here. So, okay, for the Serrano pepper, I cut the same size with the red bell pepper. I put together, and I have the herb here, kaffir lam leaf. I use 6 kaffir lam leaf, and sorry, this is a frozen, but it's all I can have it. I buy them and then put in the freezer. So I'm just gonna remove the middle part. Okay, this is a stem in the middle of the leaf, so we just hold them and gonna pull them out. For the kaffir lam leaf, it give a very good smell and the scent into the all Thai food. Sometimes because in the middle it's hard to chew and eat, or we not even usually eat anyway, but sometimes if you chew on it, if people like to eat the herb, you can too, but the middle part is hard, so that's why we always remove them, just in case some people like to eat, and also open up more flavor when you do this. Okay, set the kaffir lam leaf on the side. Next herb is Thai basil. Thai basil. I use a 1.5 cup Thai basil. I just already tear up the leaf just like this, a little flour, okay? Alright, so now the herb and the vegetable set on the side. Next, I'm going to cut the beef. Okay, so today I'm going to use the beef, and I use the beef shoulder. You can use different part the beef that your favorite. So I just going to, so it's beef shoulder, so I'm gonna have to cut again. So if you look to the line and then you just cut, I'm gonna cut a little bit bite size but a little bit thin, and I'm gonna do my knife. It's a 45 angle. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut them 45 angle knife like this, because for the beef it will be easier for you to chew because I use the beef shoulder. Okay, I almost done cutting the beef, and anyway, this knife is really sharp and very cheap. It's always be my favorite. I have this knife for like 17 years, and they are $1.50 from the Asian store. This knife is I'm not promote or getting any review from them, okay, but I use it for real. This is a Thai brand, it's Kiwi, and I have a lot of knives, but this one already become my favorite. They're so sharp. Okay, and I not feel bad when I do a sharpener too. They can have little scat or something. Okay, anyway, now the beef done, the vegetable done, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hand and we go to the stove. Okay, come to the stove. Now I'm going to turn on the medium low heat. Okay, remove the lid, and I'm going to use the 1 tablespoon the coconut oil. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Next, coconut milk. When you open, and then you will see like a very thick creamy on the top. So I'm just gonna use this part, the thick creamy on the top. Try to scoop the big creamy on the top. Right. And just put them all about, it's gonna be about a quarter of the can. In Thailand, when you go to the market, you can tell them to separate for you the creamy part and the thin part. That's how we cook it in Thailand. Okay, and now I'm going to cook the coconut creaming and coconut cream and coconut oil together. Okay, and this step take a little bit of time, take you about 4 or 5 minutes until you see the oil starting separate. So now, and this coconut smell really good, but you keep mixing, you have to keep mixing them, otherwise they will burn. Okay, but now I see all the oil already start separate. Okay, and now I'm going to add the 6 tablespoons the green curry paste. For the green curry paste, I add a little bit extra, like 6 tablespoons, because this is not the fresh one. This is a store bought, so the flavor is not same like when you have the fresh in Thailand, the fresh from the farmer market in Thailand. So I have to put a little extra. Okay, and now I'm going to give them the very good mix. But if you cannot handle the spicy, you can put less than this. But I use 6 tablespoons. And now you're going to slowly put the coconut milk, and also the heat still in the medium low, and you're gonna slowly put the coconut milk a little bit at a time. Okay, and give them the mix. And now coconut milk and the curry and they frying together, smell really good. Just have to go slow at this step. Okay, I'm still doing the same. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time and keep doing until you finish the coconut milk. Okay, and gonna look creamier and creamier every time when I add the coconut milk. Slowly at this step take a time a little bit, but you can see all the oil and the coconut milk and the curry cook together. If you like curry, and if you like the green curry and like Thai curry, you will know it smells really good now. this what we want to see. You can see all the oil separate. So that's why very important that you going slow. Cook a little bit at a time. Put the coconut milk a little bit at a time. If you put a lot at one time, you boil them. You not give them the slow to cook, slowing the flavor from the curry, and they toast it with the coconut oil. So very gonna make a lot difference. Okay, now if you look closer, look at how good it is. The oil separate cooked with all the curry, all the herb. And now hit my note. If you watched my last video, you will see when the chili and the oil cook together, hit my note, but smell really good, trust me. Okay, and now when it did point, now we can add our beef. Okay, I'm gonna put all the beef. I use 1 pound the beef and cut into the bite size. I'm just going to give them the good mix. I'm gonna turn on the heat a little bit high. Okay, so all the beef can sear without the coconut oil and the curry. Okay, give them the good mix and the high heat. Wow, this look really good now. That's why be a lot of people favorite. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, look really good. Okay, and now when the beef is halfway done, now I'm going to add the beef stock. I have 1.5 cup of beef stock. Okay, and now I'm going to add the 1.5 cup the beef stock. I'm gonna pour inside my coconut milk can. This how in Thailand they use the water and they use the thin coconut milk. Here I don't have a thin coconut milk, so I just gonna use the beef stock and put in here. They still have a little bit of coconut milk and put it in our green curry. Look at all this, high heat right now. I turn on the high heat, and now I'm going to let the beef cooking in the green curry and in the coconut milk for about 4 or 5 minutes. Let them all put together, all flavor together. Okay, and after we let them cook for 5 minutes, oh, look at this. It look really good. Okay, and now time I'm going to seasoning them. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon the coconut oil. Oh, not coconut oil. I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon the coconut sugar. Okay, 1 tablespoon coconut sugar, and I'm going to put the 2 tablespoon fish sauce. For the salty, sometimes have to be careful. Just put a little bit the salty at the time because the inside the curry it already have the salt. So now I use the 2 tablespoons and I'm gonna give them the taste later. And if I need more salt, I will add some more a little salt, or if you need more sweet, you can add some more at the point. All right, and now I'm going to add our Thai eggplant. I use the 10-ounce Thai eggplant. As you can see I don't know you can see or not, the water getting brown. See when you're soaking in like this. Okay, I'm going to use all 10-ounce the Thai eggplant. Okay, we have to soak them in the water and the salt because they have the sap on it. If you can see the water bowl, but they're clean, but it's just the brown because the sap. Okay, so now I have a 10-ounce Thai eggplant there. Next, I'm going to put the bell pepper and then the Serrano pepper and the kaffir lam leaf. Okay, everything all at the time. And for the Thai eggplant, some people like it a little bit crunchy, but some people like it a little bit soft. So that's up to you. Everybody liking different. For me, I like it just cooking, just enough for cooking, not too soft. I don't like it too mushy neither. Okay, I let them cook for 5 minutes in the high heat, and now the eggplant is start changing color and getting a little bit softer. Okay, and now I'm going to give them the taste. Salty, spicy, a little bit of sweet. Oh my goodness. And for the eggplant, you have to make sure you cook in the high heat, otherwise the skin gonna turn brown and they're not gonna look good. If you cook in the high heat, the skin is very green like this, look a lot better. And now I'm happy with the taste, so I'm going to add the Thai basil. I use the 1.5 cup Thai basil. And same thing with the Thai basil, high heat, and then make sure they are cooking in the curry, so the leaf is not turning brown. Okay, turn off the heat. Oh, look at this! Wow, thank you for Kyle to request this recipe. Oh, one of my favorite for sure, and I know a lot of people favorite. Look at how good it is, easy to make. And I forget to tell you that while you're cooking, if the broth is a little reduced or too thick, you can add some water into that too and give them a taste to be your favorite profile. Okay, now time to try it. All right, and if you can see this, okay, look at this. All right, and in Thailand, we like to eat the green curry with the rice or the noodle. Okay, so but today I have a jasmine rice. And look at this, and be careful, the eggplant is gonna be really hot. Look at this. Just want to show you how good it is. Hope not burn me. Thank you to request this recipe. So good. I didn't make it for a while, but really good. You have to try this recipe if you like the green curry. I love the Thai eggplant, and the beef become how you cut it, how you pick your beef, or if you like different protein, you can change it too. If I already let you know from the beginning, but this is really good. This is easy to cook and not a lot of ingredients, and a lot of people favorite. I hope you like this video. I hope you like the recipe. If you like, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.